morning, y'all, and welcome to today's vlog. Today is August 13th. I kind of slept in. I just woke up not too long ago because I was up really late editing last night. So I just hit my foot. Right now I'm about to run to the barn to check on everybody, and then Lila and I are going to go and grab some donuts in town because our town has the best donut shop. Like, they're so good. And I still have some more editing to do today. I think I just did like half of it last night, something like that. I need to put some shorts on because I got sweatpants on and I will die outside. Good morning. Hey, babe. Oh, he's so cute.
Still right here. Where's she?
Okay. Donut time. Are the flashers working? Looks so good. Aubrey, if you're watching this, I'm thinking of you. I think I need to eat one now. Do you want one now or not? Alright, y'all, it is a lot later now. It's like 2:20-ish. Mom and I have been outside pressure washing the water trough. We absolutely love our pressure washer because it's gas and is this focused? I don't know. It's gas, so as long as there's a hose around, like, we can just take it around anywhere. And we really like using it to pressure wash the water trough because we don't have to use like any chemicals or anything like that. So normally every few days I'll scrub them out with vinegar or like dish soap, and then every little bit we'll use the pressure washer to like deep clean it. Okay, I'm bringing the water trough back to the pasture. Southern, what are you doing? How are you doing? And then I have to fill it up. Oh my gosh, it's really hot. I'm excited for fall. I said that in the fall though. I'm excited for summer. Okay, so here's the water trough. We have a 40-gallon water trough in here. And then in the big pasture, I think that's 100 gallons, maybe more. But it's clean. These are just like old stains. This water trough is over 6 years old. We've had it as long as we've had blue jeans. So yeah, we've had it for a while. Get it out. Good girl. You can't keep her out of water. She loves water. Oh my goodness. If I'm ever in a hurry to go somewhere, I cannot like keep her outside with me because I pretty much have to bathe her like every single day, or like at least rinse her off before I let her back in the house. Okay, yeah, that's filling up. Southern, don't mess with that. That will sting you. Later on today, I'm hoping to set up our round pen. It's over there. I'm not sure where Mama wants to put it quite yet, but I'm super excited about it. I've wanted a round pen for so long now, so I cannot wait to set that up. Okay, I just came inside. It's like 5 o'clock. I'm gonna try and get some editing done, and I don't think we're gonna put the round pen up today because it's about to rain, so we might work on that tomorrow or Saturday. But I'm super excited to put it up, so hopefully I'll be able to film some groundwork videos in there really soon. So yeah, my goal is to get this video edited today. This is the video of where we went and picked up Tucker. Goodness. Okay, it is now almost 2 a.m. I just finished editing my video, so hopefully I'll be able to get it up tomorrow. I'm so tired I can't even talk. Hopefully I'll be able to get it up tomorrow since it's exporting right now. But once it's done exporting, I have to export it to YouTube. Hopefully I'll be able to get it up tomorrow. Or today, rather. You are so sweet. You don't like to cuddle. I want to cuddle and you don't want to cuddle. Good morning, y'all. Today is August 16th. I guess this is the second day to this vlog. Let me turn this air down because how do you do that? Off. You probably can't hear me. Oh, now it's really hot in here. How do you work this? I'm not used to new vehicles, so AC. I don't know how to turn it back on. I'm used to old vehicles. This is just... Oh my gosh. How do you turn on the air? AC. I messed it up. I hit the off button, but I don't see an on button. An off button doesn't do anything. Oh, did I do it? Oh, I did it. I did it. Okay. There we go. I'll just turn it down. That way you can hear me. What was I saying? Oh, yeah. I need to drive, so I can't look at you. Oh, yeah. I think this is the second day to this. Yeah, it is the second day to this vlog. I don't really know how much footage that I have in this vlog, so I don't know if this should be the second day to this vlog or if it should be a different vlog, but we're just gonna go with it and we're gonna do 2 days in one vlog. So I hope this video isn't like really long. It's probably really short and I'm gonna cut all of this out and I'm just rambling for no reason. I am currently on the way into town to go and get more donuts, which last time I got donuts in this vlog, that was, you know, 3 or 4 days ago. 3 days ago. So it's fine. I wasn't gonna get donuts. I wanted donuts when I got up and I was like, no, I'm not gonna get donuts. And then Mama said she wanted donuts, so I was like, okay, I'll go get them. I'll go get them. I have not really been able to edit this vlog. That's why I don't really know how much footage I have, because our house right now is a complete disaster because we had a hot water leak underneath the house. So we have to rip out our entire kitchen, dining room, laundry room, part of the living room, and part of Mama's room. So, we have been super busy, like with people coming to the house and stuff. Like everything is just such a mess. Like we have to pack up everything in the house. So, we've been really busy. I hope this vlog isn't all over the place. I don't think it is, but hopefully it's not. So yeah, today I really want to get the round pen up. We haven't done that yet. I'm not sure if we'll be able to do that today or not. I'm I'm super excited to get that up and put blue jeans in there and round pin her. Tucker's doing really good. If you didn't see my last video, that's our new addition. He's our bull calf. He's a Highland bull calf. You can pet him now, which is a huge amount of progress. In my last video, I had gotten a clip of me working with him, and I was talking about like some things like how I'm working with him, and I lost the clip, or I didn't lose the clip, I took it on my phone and I could not get it off my phone onto my laptop, so I was kind of mad about that. Should I get my IC first? Probably, because it's on this side of the road. Knees on the floor, I finally found everything I need. On the flip by the middle road, while the no fence post, oh man, I forgot to wake Lila up before I left the house. I was supposed to do that. Whoops. Oh, I love this song. It reminds me of my boyfriend, and I love it so much. Okay. Oh, the lighting is actually decent right here. Pedal to the middle, let the devil leave me blind. I was way outside the lines. I think the good Lord for the detours to you. Okay, I'm gonna run in really quick and get my IC, and then we'll head to the donut shop. Okay, I've got my IC, and I got Mama some gummy bears because the grocery store has been out and she's been wanting gummy bears. So, okay, let's go get the donuts. I was filming the entire way here and it was like over 10 minutes, so I don't know how much of that is gonna be put in the video. We shall see. Is this entire video like me driving to get donuts? I really don't know. I was supposed to meet a lady with some chicks today. Because I'm selling these, this coaching pair that I have, but she had something come up, so I think I'm gonna do that Thursday, hopefully. Okay, I'm gonna run in here really quick to go and grab the donuts, and I'll be right back. Oh my gosh, this is bending. Okay, I got the donuts. It's right there. I think I'm gonna go ahead and eat a donut now. Alright. Oh, this is my jam right here. Ooh, these are so soft. I wish y'all could. Oh, they smell so good. Sitting on a bar stool, acting like a dumb fool. That's what I'm doing today. Sitting here janky, trying to keep from thinking I'm losing my troubles away. So pour me another one, I'm finished with the other one. I'm drinking my baby tonight. It's so good. I said pour me another one, I'm finished with the other one. I'm drinking my baby goodbye. Comment below one of your favorite songs right now. I don't care what genre it is, just let me know. What have I been listening to a lot? Oh, that's a cute house. I've never really seen that house before. Stop. Okay, nobody. The way that she dances, afraid to take chances, wears her heart on her sleeve. Crazy's beautiful to me. Oh, there's Hunter. a jam right here. With the chip on my shoulder, told him $27 for the chips outside of Tyler in line and storming in nice rain. What's this? Oh, this is another jam right here. Hey. Have you happened up in my passenger seat? Well, let's go. 'Cause I ain't never heard like this before. Ooh, that's a good one too. I've been listening to that a lot. Chris Jansen's song Done. I think it's really pretty. Oh my gosh, this clip is almost 12 minutes. Literally a drive with me. I don't know how much I'm gonna put in here. Oh my goodness. So good. You say I just for you, girl. What is that in the road? Looks like a bird. Is he just sitting there? What is he doing? What is that? They were all talking, looking back at my past. I'm living proof of that. I'll be loving you. Alright, I gotta get the gate. Okay, I just got home. I was gonna share all this really quick. We're also moving this white picket fence out, which we're still cleaning it, so don't mind that. We're gonna move it out to the corner of that barn, so we're gonna come out and go that way. So it'll be a little bit bigger back there, and the barn will be inside of the fence instead of outside the fence. And then we'll have a double gate right here. So if we have to back the horse trailer up to the calf stall, which is right there, we can just back straight up. So yeah, that's gonna be really, really nice. So I'm excited about that. All right, y'all, it is now 5:15. I just came in from painting. I took the shutters off the house for Mama in the front and repainted them because they were like, they just needed to be repainted. So I did that. I had to take a little bit of a break because it started raining. So I just went back out and finished the last one. So yeah, we've been working outside pretty much ever since I got home earlier. So I got like a few clips of us like working outside. So I'm gonna play these clips right now. So yeah, it's like 5:15 right now. Lila and I are about to head to the smaller pasture to start putting together the round pen. So I'm super, super excited about that. Okay, we've got all the panels right here. The plan is to set it up over there in that corner. Well, not really in the corner, but like right there. That's not like exactly where it's going. We're gonna have to move it a little bit. What? Swing your end around. Pull it. Because there's a dip right here anyway. That should be good. I don't think it needs to be any closer to that tree. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. We need to pull this side out a little bit, y'all. Thank y'all so much. Living is already in here. Gosh, I'm so excited about this. The last panel. We don't have a gate for it yet, so we're just gonna use like a panel for a gate. Okay, here it is. I still gotta take the tags off of it, but we still have enough room to like ride around the outside of it, and we also wanted it away from this tree. So yeah, I'm so excited. Oh my goodness, this is awesome. Alright y'all, I just came on here really quick to end this vlog. After we set the round pin up, we were working outside and my camera was getting wet, so I could not really continue vlogging. But I just finished editing this vlog, and I wanted to give my notification shout out for today. Today's shout out goes to Autumn. I'm going to have it up there on the screen. She said, "Love your videos so much. Post notifications are on." Autumn, thank you so much for all of your sweet comments and all of your support. It truly means so much to me, all of y'all. I appreciate all of y'all so much. So yeah, I thank all of y'all so very much for watching today's video. If you would like a chance to win a notification shout out, all you have to do is leave me a comment on one of my videos saying that you turned on the post notifications. So yeah, I love y'all so much and appreciate you so much, and I'll see you really soon with another video. Bye!